Subqueries. Let us assume that I want to see today's date, the number of employees I have, and how much salary I pay. I can do all this by running three queries separately. Select sysdate from dual, gives me today's date. Select count star from employees, gives me the total number of employees I have, and select sum salary from employees, gives me the total salary that I am paying. But these are three separate queries with separate results. What if I want to see them as a part of single result set? This is where subqueries come into picture. A query can have another query inside, like this. Here I am using two queries in the select class. These queries are called as subqueries or inner queries. The main query is called as an outer query. Let's look at the query. Select sysdate, gives me today's date. Select count star from employees, gives me total number of employees, and select sum salary from employees, gives me the total salary that I am paying. And I have combined these into a single query where these two queries form as subqueries or inner queries in this main outer query. This brings all the results in a single result set. This is also an example of using subqueries in the select class. Subqueries can be used also in from class, where class, group by class, and having class. Thank you for watching this video.